Take a ride in the 2016 Dodge Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sport car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power sunroof, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, USB connection, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, security system, compass, electronic stability control, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, trip computer, brake assist, overhead console. Come take a test drive today.